First open Start and type verifier. Click on verifier. Select Create Standard Setting and click on Next. Choose Select driver names from a list. Press Next. Click on Provider. Select all drivers except the Microsoft ones. Press Next. Now restart. Now open verifier again. Select Display information about the currently verified driver. Press Next. Select one of the folder you are monitoring and click on Next. If you see error in fault injected, it means that driver is the one making you crash. If you don't see any error, go back and check the other driver. To disable that, open that verifier again. Select Disable Existing Setting. Now restart and your problem should be fixed.